I'm Brad Hall, and right next to me is a total classic, the Michael Air Jordan 11 in the playoff colorway. I'm going to tell you all about that shoe, and then I'm going to share with you some style tips. I browsed Amazon.com and picked out the best clothing and accessories that go with this shoe, so stay tuned. This is a shoe that I had back in the day, and I'm so happy to see it come back so close to its original form. You've got a nice high cut of patent leather. I love seeing that whitish edge of the patent leather. It just really helps define these beautiful curves. Something I've always loved about the upper on this shoe, it says a lot without too many details. It's very simple. That's why that Michael Air Jordan dunking, it pops so much. For a lot of people, the first thing you think about with this shoe is the patent leather, but for me, it's always been this sole. The carbon fiber plate looks like a chessboard, and it just kind of tucks under the sole so that you can still make out those details. It is a work of art down here. Now, supposedly they are making a ton of these shoes, which is great if you want a pair. But if you want to stand out, style is going to become that much more important. I wanted to help you with that, so I browsed Amazon.com. I picked out some items that I think would go really well with this. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. What I'm trying to do with this outfit is blend the old, this shoe, which came out in the 90s, with the new for something that feels very modern and contemporary. Now, before shopping for clothes on Amazon, something I like to do, use a realistic 3D model of myself and go ahead and try out some clothing items just to get an idea of what might look good with these shoes. So that's what I've done already. I have some great ideas in mind. Let's get shopping. As you saw in that mock-up, I am looking for a nice pair of camo pants. I just think it looks really nice with a black and red pair of Michael Air Jordan shoes. I do like some of the more realistic camos. You see those more and more in streetwear today. I like a black and white camo too. I just think that this pair is probably not the right fit for my body type. I would not be surprised to see a lot of people wearing a jersey with this shoe. So let's explore that route, but maybe let's mix it up a little bit. Here is one, it's from Space Jam, but it was not actually in Space Jam. Michael Jordan is on the jersey wearing the exact jersey that he wore in the movie, but the jersey itself is not from the movie. That's something different, so definitely an option. I think I just found our winner. It is a camo jersey, so it's gonna go really well with those camo pants. I love bringing balance to an outfit, and this leather, it is so shiny. So it'd be nice to get something shiny up top. This is a tough one. This is definitely a tough one. Oh, I did find something I like. It's kind of a cool, baggy, shiny leather sweatshirt. I got everything from Amazon. Let's just get right into this. For the pants, they look so good with the shoes. It's a very stylish pair of camo pants. Up next, that baseball jersey. How good is that? Not only does this camo go really well with the shoe, it also goes really well with the other camo. Another item that borrows from the past, but is very on trend, a cool pair of sunglasses. I do have bad news about the shiny leather sweatshirt. It was way too tight, but I do have good news. I was able to turn it into a really cool bag. Everything just came together perfectly. Well, that was my show for today. I hope everyone who wants a pair gets a pair, and if you do get a pair, I'll put the links in the description for those clothing items. They'll all be there if you want them.